In the enchanting land of the Maldives, where azure waters kissed golden shores, a timeless treasure graced the lives of its people and vibrant culture, there existed a traditional attire known as the Dhivehi Libaas. The Dhivehi Libaas held a special place in the hearts of the Maldivian people, representing their rich heritage and ethnic identity. Throughout the archipelago, women adorned themselves in the Dhivehi Libaas for ceremonies, special occasions, and dances. The dress was a masterpiece of artistry, crafted with exquisite embroideries called Kasabu Viyun, adorning the necklines and borders. These vibrant dresses, often in bright colors like red, blue, or green, were worn with an underskirt known as faili. The origins of the Dhivehi Libaas could be traced back centuries, as E Batuta, a renowned traveler, noted its existence during his visit to the Maldives in 1355. The dress became a symbol of the Maldivian culture, encapsulating the spirit and traditions of the native Dhivehi ethnic group. Intricate silver and gold embroideries adorned the fabric, reflecting the skill and craftsmanship of a select few Maldivian women. Each stitch told a story, capturing the essence of the Maldives' natural beauty and cultural heritage. As time went on, the love for the Dhivehi Libaas remained strong, but there arose a desire for versatility and comfort. Recognizing this, Napeeto introduced Bovalo swimwear, a collection inspired by the Dhivehi Libaas. Bovalo swimwear offered a solution to the challenge of wearing the Dhivehi Libaas all day. It was designed for individuals who cherished the traditional attire but sought a more practical option. The swimwear collection combined the elements of the Dhivehi Libaas with modern swimwear styles, creating a unique fusion that celebrated the Maldivian culture. The Bovalo swimwear collection featured high-quality materials and attention to detail. The outer material consisted of 95% polyester and 5% elastane, ensuring a comfortable fit. The lining, made of 74% polyamide and 26% elastane, provided added support and flexibility. The swimsuits boasted an all-over print, showcasing the vibrant colors reminiscent of the Dhivehi Libaas. Napeeto encouraged wearers to unleash their creativity and transform the swimwear into a stunning evening dress by pairing it with a favorite skirt or pants. This innovative approach allowed individuals to create an eco-friendly wardrobe they loved, while still paying homage to the beloved Dhivehi Libaas. As people wore Bovalo swimwear, they felt a deep connection to their heritage. They embodied the spirit of the Maldives, confidently showcasing their unique style and embracing the traditions that shaped them. The collection became a symbol of cultural pride, uniting generations and transcending boundaries. Thus, the story of the Dhivehi Libaas continued to evolve, adapting to the changing times while preserving its essence. Napeeto's Bovalo swimwear collection became a bridge between tradition and modernity, a testament to the enduring beauty of the Maldivian culture. With each wear, individuals carried with them the legacy of the Dhivehi Libaas, celebrating the artistry, history, and vibrant spirit of the Maldivian people. And as they immersed themselves in the crystal-clear waters of the Maldives, they did so with pride, knowing that their swimwear embodied the essence of their beloved Dhivehi Libaas.